okay, I met this guy, Denny B. He said he wants me to be his girlfriend. He wants us to date. I was like, okay, Sabi girl, now I did my research because I only go for guys that can take care of me, guys that have money. Okay, I asked him for some money. He gave me the money. I was like, okay, this guy is okay. He's cool. Let's date. The first time I went to his house, we were about to now go down and do some things together. This guy said, no, he cannot touch me. Today is his holy day. Can you believe this guy did not touch me for the whole of that day? I was surprised. Like, are you a Muslim? He said he's a Christian, but that is his holy day. That's how he does it. I was like, okay, no problem. I let it slide. Another time, I went to his house to see him. He said before we can do anything, I have to use alligator pepper. He gave me alligator pepper that I should use it to like clean around my body, cleanse myself or something. About like 7 seeds of alligator pepper. I was confused, like, which one is alligator pepper? I should use alligator pepper to cleanse myself before we can knock. For knock, we won't knock again. I should use alligator pepper to alligator. He said that's the only way me and him can do anything. He convinced me, said a lot of things. I was like, okay, since we are dating, right, let me do it. I was scared because I've never seen that kind of thing before. I've never heard that kind of thing before, but he's my guy, right? I did it. The creepiest part of this whole thing, the part that scared me the most, like I was so shocked. We were sleeping. This guy thought I've slept off. He stood up and he started using something like to, I don't know whether it's the same alligator pepper he was using. He was using it to clean his body, making some incantations. He didn't know I was not sleeping. Guys, I videoed this guy. I have a video. I videoed this guy. I was so shocked. I was so scared. I was videoing him. He didn't see me. He didn't know I was videoing him. Ever since that day, guys, my life has never been the same. My life has never been the same. A lot of bad things have been happening to me. A lot of bad things have been happening. I cannot even say, I can't even go into the details. I've been seeing this guy, Denny B, in my dreams. Denny B, what am I seeing in my dreams?
People need to be careful whom they invite into their space, into their environment. The whole essence of having rituals surrounding, sex rituals is that you don't engage in sexual activities with anybody that you see. Now, the young man whom they called a ritualist was only using this OSE OJI, the alligator pepper, to cleanse his aura. Now, traditionally, what we believe is that after some activities, sex included, after some activities, you pick up the alligator pepper to clean off any residual energy. Now, this is what the young man was doing, but the young woman misinterpreted it and said that, oh, he's a ritualist, he's trying to use me for ritual. I've been dreaming all kind of nonsense dream. Well, who knows what you're dreaming about, or maybe it's your consciousness playing tricks on you. But in reality, he's not a ritualist, he's a traditionalist, I would presume, because what he's doing is he's cleansing himself from the sexual energy. Now, people that often do this ritual are Dibias. When they are about to go to their room, or when they want to perform rituals, they would use the OSE OJI to cleanse themselves from any energy, whether they were intimate with their wife or with any woman or anything. Even women also, it is not gender specific. It is not gender specific. A man can do it, a woman can do it. Even from Dibias, that's Libyan one, they would always clean up their aura whenever they are intimate with their husband, especially when they're about to go into their place of veneration, their place of worship, to perform 1 or 2 rituals. Now, if you go to a certain environment, probably you attended a funeral, yes, it is also encouraged that you take up a alligator pepper and you cleanse your aura, because we believe that these kinds of events has a way of, kind of you attracting something and taking it back home. So to prevent it from happening, you pick up the alligator pepper to cleanse yourself. Now, if you're a person that frequents bars and nightclubs, all these crowded social spaces, it is also encouraged that you pick up the alligator pepper to cleanse off your aura, because you don't know what you're basically attracting to yourself. So you pick it up and you cleanse off those aura. So what the young man was doing was just trying to save himself from any energy that is attached to the woman, because I assume that in his mind she's so he's cleansing himself of her and any energy that she came with. But what we actually forget to understand here is that the reason why this practice exists is for social control. It is for you not to be careless with yourself, with your aura. You don't engage in intimate activities with anybody, both man and woman, and then you're running back to alligator pepper. No, the reason there, it is for you not to expose yourself to any kind of energy. It's for you to, protect your energy, protect your aura. So people are now, because I've heard people say, oh, if I do this thing, no matter how many times should I use alligator pepper. All I know is that these things exist is not for you to be careless. It is actually meant for you to preserve yourself and not always engage in all those activities and always run to alligator pepper. Oh, let me do child, or let me cleanse my energy. One day, you do the one that you cannot clean up with just alligator pepper, and it is going to cost you. It is going to cost you. You'll spend money, a lot of money to cleanse up that negative aura, that negative energy. So let's not shout that young man ritualist, because he's not the ritualist. He's just performing a traditional ritual. That's what he's doing. So the young woman is just, maybe she wants to trend, or she just probably didn't understand what's happening, and she was not smart enough to ask questions. She just assumed and started to talk about it. And hopefully people were just laughing and nobody took it serious, because if not, it would have really, really gone bad for that young man. It would have really, really gone bad. So yeah, that's it. To-dos. Bye-bye. Next time.